What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time since I did one of my mom's Mexican recipes, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite snacks in the world, elotes, or Mexican style corn. Start off by boiling some corn. You can also grill your corn, but I think it's much juicier if you boil it in some salt water. Then we are taking kebab skewers to pierce your corn because your hands will get really messy if you don't. Then I'm going to melt some earth balance butter and adding lime juice to it. You can add some salt too, but since my butter already has salt in it, I decided not to. Using your brush, top your corn off with your butter mixture. Next we are adding Follow Your Heart Veganese. Y'all already know I love mayo, so I go in with a very heavy hand with this. Next we are using this amazing Go Veggie Parmesan cheese. Again, I probably added about 50 shakes worth of this. Now it's time for the magic ingredient, tahini. This tastes too good, y'all. It's perfect for a barbecue or a quick snack, and it tastes just like regular non-vegan elotes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for new delicious recipes every week.